Now, the students also spent about 2.5 days constructing this food web, three-dimensional food web, covering virtually the entire ceiling of the classroom, which, as you can see, caused a few problems. So a few of the cards we put down so that we could use the projector. But they used the internet, they used books, they used their memories of the things that we actually saw in the field and the things that we just knew were there from our other discussions. For instance, we didn't see a red-eared slider in the wild, but we knew that they were in native Kentucky freshwater ecosystems, so they're up here somewhere. And as they did their research, they recorded their organisms on this and one other sheet of paper, which I don't have out right now, so that we could keep track of what's up here and not duplicate anything. So each one of these, with the exception of one or two plants, I think, is a different organism that can be found just outside of our door. This is sort of a way of connecting the resources that are available on the internet and otherwise in the different venues that they would usually go about researching science-related topics to the real world that we get our shoes muddy in. I think it's really important to bridge that gap too, so that not only is there sciencey things that we can interact with on a daily basis, but there's the scientific disciplines that we can apply to them. And you're never too young to learn that that's there. And so even if they don't know the names of every single one of the things they researched in 5 years, if they think about it differently because of this experience, I will feel like I've succeeded in that much. Yay, chipmunk. Now, there are a few decomposers. This is mostly producers, first level, second level, third level consumers, and those different levels are coded according to the color of sticker that's on the card and the number of paper clips by which it hangs. So for instance, over here we have something, I don't know what it is, but it's got 5 paper clips, which tells us that it is a second level consumer. So I'm going to guess that, but let me just look at some of these others here. There's also ones hanging by 7. I think that's one back there. And then the plant eaters are hanging only by 3. And here's the remnants of that. It was written much bigger when we were actually constructing it, but this was just here to keep them reminded. What's what? One of the students wrote that up on the board. This is for tomorrow, just basic stuff. It's also going to be updated. So, remnants of the SOL testing. Not my influence, but it's not my job on the line.